Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm representing here a travel agency, Step by Step Travel. It's a little bit out of real estate, but it's also connected, so somehow all the people that they come first time to Panama, they have to come somehow to their hotel or to do whatever tasks that they have. So I will be shorter, I promise. So we are a long time on the market. We have our offices in here in Panama City and the other provinces as well. So we are well connected with neighboring countries, Costa Rica and Nicaragua as well. So it's also a plus. Here is some of the explications of what we do. We cover the whole country, so tailor-made excursions and tours and visits. So most of the trip as well for the visitors from US, it was also organized with us. And it's also this is the trip that you will do more or less, right, in the next days. You will actually travel through the whole country, of course flying, but you will see as most that you can see in a short period of time. So yeah, these are some of the excursions closer to Panama City and some of the highlights of the country touristic wise. As you know, we have mountains, we have ocean, we have rainforests, so it's basically the whole package. We will be also learning more on the way traveling in these next days, so we will be explaining more about the country. Oh. The most expensive coffee that you will try, right? Geisha, good rum, fishing, the best fishing in Central America, top of the volcano. So we have whales now. We will also see whales. We will do whale watching. Hopefully we will see them breaching as well. And well, some of our vehicles that we have. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.